Hi guys, it's Pam and welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today let's see how to make homemade tortillas that can be for kebab or your favorite curry. I love dipping with massaman curry. Very easy with only 5 ingredients. Okay, let's jump into it. And here we are. First, we need flour. Can be either bread flour or all-purpose flour, anything you have. Baking powder, salt, vegetable oil, can be any vegetable oil you want to use. I'm using olive oil for today, and warm water. First, we pour the flour in the mixing bowl, 360 grams, or if you are measuring with a cup, then it's gonna be 3 cups. Follow with 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna give it a quick whisk for the dry ingredients. Then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Gradually add warm water and mix. I say 1 cup, but actually it can be a little bit more, a little bit less. When you're slowly adding, if your dough is too dry, add more water. If it's too wet, you can sprinkle some more flour. We are going to keep kneading until the dough doesn't stick to the bowl or the hand anymore. Then we can move it to the cutting board, continue kneading for about 1 to 2 minutes. Don't forget to sprinkle some flour beforehand to prevent it from sticking. Then we'll get a smooth and springy dough. Put it back in the bowl. Cover with a towel and we're gonna let it rest for half an hour. Sprinkle more flour on the board or any surface you are using. Then separate the dough into the sizes you want. If you want it big, it would be between 90 to 100 grams. Medium size, around 70 grams. I'm going to make medium and small sizes. Medium for wrapping the Turkish kebab I made, and the small ones, I'll keep them for dipping with massaman curry chicken. Then we're going to make them into balls, so it's easier to make them round. Can be any method you like keep folding and pinch the bottom, like this. Roll on the board or roll with 2 hands, and do not leave the dough out. Put in a bowl and cover with a towel. We don't want them turned dry. And use the rolling pin to roll them into appropriate size, not too thick, about 1 millimeter is good. If you're resting them on top of each other like this, don't forget to sprinkle flour between each of them so they won't stick to each other. And cover with the towel when you are dealing with them one by one. Alright, let's move to the stove. On a dry pan, place a tortilla on medium heat. About a minute, we're going to see some bubbles like this. Then flip. If it inflates, try to push it down to thoroughly heat. Give everybody some warmth. And that's it. Done! Now I have several sizes for different purposes. If you are not using all of them at one time, keep in a sealed bag in the fridge. It can be kept for about 4 to 5 days, in freezer for about a month. When you're going to use, just put in a nooker, then they'll be soft again. Hope you enjoy. If you like this video, leave me a thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell button for more recipes. See you again next time. Bye!